Hello you lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to create this big messy beachy wave look for you guys using the Wonder Wave and a whole bunch of other lovely products. So if you would like to see how I created this gorgeous hairstyle, then please keep watching. So before we even start with the styling, we need to make sure that our hair is going to be protected from the heat because we are going to be using a heat styler. Now, my hair is a massive part of me. I'm constantly changing it and I'm constantly trying new things. So protection of my hair is super important so that I can carry on doing all these funky styles with my hair without the worry that I won't have any. The first product that I like to spray on my hair is the Lee Stafford Hair Apology. This is their Intense Care 10-in-1 Leave-In Treatment Spray. This has done wonders for my hair since using it. I obviously bleach my roots and I bleach my hair, and this is a fantastic treatment spray for people who do the same because this is a great protector and repairer, so I absolutely love this product. The second product is the Jerome Russell Bee Styled Blow Dry Balm. This is a heat protection up to 230 degrees, so we know that our hair is going to be nice and protected. I mainly focus this on the ends of my hair, although I do like to evenly put it through, but this just helps keep the bottom of my hair from drying out too much with the heat. This is a fantastic heat protectant and it has helped my hair a lot so far with me trying out new styles. So we love these two products, they are absolutely incredible. I will leave links to every single product down below if you do want to try them out for yourselves. Next, we actually dry the hair because we cannot style it at all until it is dry. My hair is still a little bit damp, so I'm going to go off camera, dry my hair, and then I will be back to show you how I style it. My hair is all nice and dry now and feeling super healthy and super soft from those products. A top tip that I do recommend doing if you do want some really voluminous beachy waves is actually drying your hair upside down. I literally do this every time I dry my hair. It makes my hair look really nice and bouncy, just gives it a bit of volume, and that volume really does stay until you next dry your hair. So top tip from Poppy, dry your hair upside down. So today I'm going to be using Wonder Wave's Heat Styler. The Wonder Wave has 3 large barrels to help create those nice subtle beach waves. It also comes with a heat protectant glove and also an added applicator to plug into any socket in the UK. It's fantastic for that and it's great to travel with. Also on the Wonder Wave, it does come with a little flip up stand that you can put down to make sure that your heat styler will not burn anything, it will not burn your house down, and it will stand nicely and it won't heat anything up too much. It also does have a control panel where you can decide the temperature, you can switch it on and off, and it also comes with a handy little handle that you can push the curler out with, like so. So the first thing you're going to want to do before you actually start styling your hair is you're going to want to take a large top section of your hair and clip it up to leave the lower section of your hair ready to get styled. Once you've done that, we can start working on the waves. So I have now turned my Wonder Wave on, and on the little screen it has on the front I can actually see the temperature going up, which means I don't have the worry of constantly having to put my hand near it to see if it's actually heating up alright, because it tells me, which is another handy tool that the Wonder Wave comes with. We really don't want you to burn yourself, so this is a fantastic tool to make sure you don't. So the Wonder Wave heats up to 180 degrees, but you do actually have the option of then turning this up or turning this down to your desire. I am actually going to keep mine at 180 and see how it goes, and if I do need to turn it up then I can, because my heat protectant does actually protect up to 230 degrees, so we're safe to do so if need be. I'm going to start by just brushing through my hair so there are no knots and it will be a nice even wave throughout my hair. And the first wave is done. Oh my goodness, it looks lovely. I'm now going to grab my spare clip and actually clip up the bits that I've done, as I don't want to get confused on what I'm doing. I'm very good at getting confused when it comes to my hair. The first section of my hair is done and I love these waves. They are so beautiful and I love how separated they are and how you can really see a definition in the waves. I think they are stunning and it's all down to this beautiful hairstyler. I am so happy that I have this to create this really gorgeous look with, and it's super quick too. So I'm gonna go ahead, do the other section, and then we will move on to the top. I'm looking a little crazy right now. So again, like I said, same technique. Is it curling or waving? I'm gonna call it waving. We are going to wave the middle section. So the middle section is crimped, it's waved, and it's looking beautiful. I'm gonna clip this part up and start working on the top section with the same technique again. Honestly, I leave my hair up for a few minutes and it goes wavy anyway. There's no point. I am now going to brush to the curly top section of my hair that was not curly 10 minutes ago and now is. Also, I do want to just say I have layers in my hair. This isn't breakage. It is layers in my hair, hence the top section of my hair is shorter, just because I like it because it just adds more volume in my hair. Let's get it going on the top section of my hair, and we are going to start from the back this time and work our way forward, just because I feel like it makes it a lot easier for my brain to understand if I do it this way. I feel like oh my god, I look crazy. I feel like the front sections of the hair need to be the most wavy to really pull off the look. So I'm gonna hold the heat just a little bit longer on the front two section of my hair, just so they are really cute and really wavy. So as you can see, this section of the top part of my hair is now all wavy. I am now going to move on to this lovely side, get it matching this side, and then I will come back to show you the finished results. This is all these sections completely waved. I am going to go over a few more bits just to make sure it's all really defined and you can fully see the curls, especially to the underneath bits that may have dropped a little bit as they've cooled. I'm just going to go over them and make sure it all looks perfect and cute. Now I am super happy with all the waves. I think it's so cute. I'm so obsessed with this heat styler. I'm now going to turn the Wonder Wave off and leave it to cool whilst we finish off styling the waves. So you can actually leave the waves just like this. If you want to apply a bit of hairspray, go ahead and you're ready to go, no problem. But if you want to be extra like me, then I'm going to be using a salt spray on these waves, just so they do look really beachy, as if, you know, we're Ariel, we've just stepped onto the beach, we're all like sea swept and sun swept and wind swept and all kinds of swept, and we want to look cute, honey. So I'm going to grab my Fierce Salt Spray from We Are Paradox, and I'm going to spray this all over my hair. So I like to just kind of do this willy-nilly. You can do it in sections, it's completely up to you. and we now look like a cast member from Mamma Mia. So guys, this is the finished look. I am completely obsessed with these beachy, bouncy waves with a bit of texture from the salt spray. This is definitely my go-to look during summer, and it's so easy to do. I cannot stress enough, especially with the Wonder Wave, it makes it so easy to create a look just like this. In this video, I did actually use a product from We Are Paradox. I am actually running a giveaway on my Instagram page with a load of We Are Paradox products. I am obsessed with the brand and absolutely adore the products. As you can see, the salt spray did absolute wonders for my hair without making it look wet or greasy. It's honestly fantastic, and I really do love all of their products. They are wonderful, completely vegan, completely natural, and plastic free too, which is such a big passion of mine, to really educate people and show people that there is a different way that you can go about beauty and you can still have luxury without causing the planet any harm at all, which is why I absolutely love We Are Paradox. And if you would like a chance to win a whole load of We Are Paradox goodies, then please head over to my Instagram and enter the giveaway, and also feel free to subscribe too for an extra entry. Thank you all so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed watching me create this gorgeous beach wave style. If you do create this look at home, then please make sure you tag me on Instagram. I would love to see you guys rocking this style too. If there are any other hairstyles that you would like me to create on my channel, then please let me know down in the comments. I would love to create some more different hairstyles and also push myself out of my comfort zone, because I don't feel like I try enough styles on my little short hair. Until next time guys, I hope you stay safe, I hope you stay well, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.